What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick sponsored video for you guys again, this time with more LED lights. Man, they just love me. So what do we got here? Auxito. We're already running Auxito LED headlight bulbs and fog light bulbs on the Hyundai Accent, and they sent us out more products, more bulbs that we can put in and throw in on the vehicle to make it look a little bit spicier. So we got brake lights, turn signal slash daytime running lights, switchback lights, we got reverse lights, we got front turn signal lights, and more lighting. And I'm still trying to figure out where all these lights go, but we're gonna go ahead and tackle it on, throw these on. Man, check that out though. LEDs are the future. If you guys are not familiar with Auxito, check them out. So far, I had great results with the LED headlight bulbs and fog light bulbs. Direct fit, really crisp and clear, no problems whatsoever. So check them out, and I believe I have a discount code in the description below, so check that out as well. Alright, turn signals are installed, and you guys probably don't see the difference, but I'll tell you, this is much more vivid than this one. Oh yeah. Let's just compare that real quick to this. Boring. Ooh. Well, check it out, boys. It is looking fantastic. These lights are all installed. Pretty much this whole car is decked out with Auxito, from LED lights to fog lights. Really impressed with this company, guys. Every product I got from them plugged in, worked. Highly recommend it. Once again, I have to thank Auxito for coming through, sponsoring all these LED lights for me. Everything came out great. Highly impressed with the brand itself, with the quality, with how well everything just works. So again, if you guys are interested, check these out. Again, description down below. Thank you, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because as always, we got some stuff going on.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.